Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Hope you are fine. Today we will start difference between animals and plant cells. देखें, आपने एनिमल सेल के बारे में भी पढ़ लिया और प्लांट सेल के बारे में भी पढ़ लिया. ठीक है, अब हम दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे एंड वी विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एनिमल एंड प्लांट सेल. Okay students, we will start from the typical plant and animal cell. Here you can see the two diagrams. One is the animal cell and the second one is the plant cell. Here you can see that only in the plant cell there is a cell wall, but cell wall is absent in the animal cell. And just recall that what is the function of the cell wall? Cell wall is a strong and stiff structure which supports a plant and gives it a regular shape. Next is the second part of the plant cell. The second inner part of the plant cell is cell membrane, and the outermost part of the animal cell is cell membrane. Both of them contains the cell membrane. Okay, and what is the function of cell membrane? It controls the movement of the materials into and out of the cell. Cell wall permit the different substances and different materials to come inside the cell or go outside the cell. Here, what is the next? This is the nucleus here. This is the nucleus of the animal cell and this is the nucleus of plant cell. Now, what is the function of nucleus? As we already discussed, nucleus acts as a brain of the cell. So it is composed of RNA, DNA, chromosomes and genes, and it controls all the activities of the plant cell as well as also it controls the all activities of animal cell. Here also you can see that cytoplasm is present in both of the animal cell and plant cell. And what is the function of the cytoplasm? It is a thin layer in plant cell, and you can see here, and it is a jelly like substance which contain other cell parts. You can see these parts, other cell parts here and also here. This pinkish portion here and here shows the chloroplast. It is a jelly like liquid and new material are constantly being made here and broken down here. Like in this pinkish part, it is jelly like structure and new materials are constantly made here and broken down here. You can see the both in the both cell and in the both cells, this pinkish part is cytoplasm. Now next is the vacuole. You can see here in the plant cell, here is the only single large vacuole is present here, and in animal cell there are more than one vacuole. Like you can see this one, this one, this one, more than one vacuole is present. And in animal cell the size of vacuole is very small, but in plant cell size of vacuole is not that much small, it is very big, and mostly it consists the larger part of the plant cell. Okay students, you can see that these are the diagrams of plant cell. It is the diagram of plant cell and it is the animal cell. I took these diagrams from your book. You can see here, this is the cell wall, outermost part, second is cell membrane, then here is the then here is the cytoplasm, and this is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a green pigment, as I already told you, which has chlorophyll, which helps the plant to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But chloroplast is absent in the animal cell. So you know, as an animal, we cannot prepare their own food by our own self. Okay, so animals cannot prepare their own food, and plants can prepare their own food by the help of this chloroplast. Next is as you know, plant cell is larger than the animal cell, and animal cell is smaller than the plant cell. Next is cell wall. As I already told you, is covered by a thick cell wall. Plant cell is covered by a thick cell wall, and cell wall is made up of cellulose in the plant cell, but cell wall is not present in the animal cell. Next is vacuole. Vacuole in plant cell, only a single, a big and a prominent and a permanent vacuole is present, but in animal cell, vacuole is small and many vacuoles are present in the plant cell. Cytoplasm, as I already told you, it is a jelly-like substance. This pinkish part is, in both here, this pinkish and whitish part is the cytoplasm. Mostly water, it contains mostly water but contains many important materials. What difference between plant and animal cell, that plant contain chloroplast to make food from solar energy during photosynthesis. Animal cell does not contain the chloroplast. Plant cell contains the cell wall, but the animal cell does not have the cell wall. Okay, chloroplast and cell wall are absent in the animal cells. This is the page and full theory from your book, or you already discussed that nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. It contains it repairs the thread-like structures. It contains the chromosomes, DNA. We already discussed these genes and all type of things. A cell membrane is partially permeable layer which is present in both of the plant cell and animal cell. Cytoplasm is also present in both plant and animal cell. Chloroplast is present only in plant cell. It is not present in the animal cell. Cell wall is only present in the plant cell. It is absent in the animal cell. Vacuole, a single vacuole is present in the animal cell, but a single vacuole is present in the plant cell, but there is no vacuole there are many vacuoles are present in the animal cell. So these are the basic difference between plant and animal cell. Hope you remember that. And now in the class time we will discuss all of these. Okay, and if you have any question, then comment below. Thank you so much.